You can never go wrong with pancakes.
Let me show you how to prepare this delicious, flavorful, citrusy, gluten-free pancakes using polenta. To a bowl, add honey, and eggs. Mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. Here we share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Now add evaporated milk, as this gives a lovely taste and richness. Add melted butter, freshly squeezed orange juice, and lastly orange zest. Mix together until you have a well combined mixture. Now add the dried ingredients, which is polenta, and mix together until well combined. Set the batter aside. To a saucepan, add the pancake batter, and on low to medium heat, cook on each side for around 2 minutes. Remove the pancakes once they are well done and repeat the process until all the batter is finished. And voila! The pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. This pancake turned out to be so delicious. You need to give this a try. You've never had any pancakes like this before. Trust me, it's so good. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon so whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. And until next time, remain blessed.